God. 5 months of this. Can't wait to get a little taste of her mama.
You've been talking about your mama for the last 2 weeks. I'm going to your mama's house, Fig. I promise.
Lenny!
Hey, how you doing?
Waters?
Thank you. Thank you.
Ah, Sam, what my ass.
Yeah, can you wrangle me up some domes, darling?
Sauce.
Are you Samuel James Witwicky, descendant of Archibald Witwicky?
Yeah?
Are you Archibald Witwicky, descendant of Samuel James Witwicky? No! My bad.
The female's pheromone levels suggest he wants to mate with the boy.
You hurt my dog! I'll your ass!
Where's my call? Man's in hole. Oh, whoa.
Lord Megatron. Where is the cube? Starscream have taken it. You failed.
Max?
This doesn't work without mics!
What?
Say cock.
Yeah, I got shortwave radios. Wait, what am I supposed to do with these? Well, use them. What am I supposed to do with these?
Bring the rain.
What am I supposed to do with these?
Bring it!
What am I supposed to do with these?
Those 105 shells. Bring the rain!
Ratchet!
What the hell was that? What are you talking about?
What do you mean, what am I talking about? They shot at us!
F-22 pilots fly below buildings. That's friendly. That ain't alien.
Metro. Sam. You risked the cube to protect your life. Oh, you got Megatron. Come here, little bitch. You want a piece of me? You want a piece? No! We lost a great con, but gained new ones.